Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to see how many you have RAM or spend it on our application. To do this, go to your settings and search for device care here. Now go to your memory here. And here you're gonna see how many RAM you spend for your application and how many free RAM is available now. You can clean it. And of course you can view more. RAM has been cleaned. And that's all. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe. And see you by next video. Hey!